Now, if you know me, you know I love a good shortcut, especially when it comes to dessert. My girl Jocelyn Delk, aka Grandbaby Cakes, knows how to do desserts right. I picked Jocelyn because I like to support young Black women that are trying to do exactly what I'm doing, which is spread our flavors, spread our traditions, spread our love, spread our food. We've worked together. Her food is delicious, savory or sweet, but today she's bringing the sweet and easy.
Happy Thanksgiving, Sunny. Yes, girl, I am here to deliver you the ultimate hack for Thanksgiving pie. All you need is a store-bought pie, and you can turn that into a fabulous, perfect for your outdoor Thanksgiving celebration, s'mores pumpkin pie. So let's get started on our ganache. So we're gonna add our heavy cream right into our chocolate chips and pop this right into our microwave and allow it to melt together. Now we're gonna stir our ganache together until it's nice and smooth. Now that it's all come together, I'm going to add this right on top of our pumpkin pie. Now it's time for some marshmallows, and you can stack these high, you can put them in a decorative design, really have fun with this. Ready to pop this in the oven and broil it? I think I am too. Here's our gorgeous s'mores pumpkin pie right out of the oven. And just with a few steps, you can take a store-bought pumpkin pie and turn it from drab into fab. And if any of your guests are wondering where you got this pie and what your secret is, remember what Sunny says, it's none your business. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.